Alright, we're back here, 9713 41st again. We've seen this now a couple of times. We got a funky offset section of pipe there next to the main, about 10 feet deep. Already located the spot. I'm going to come back from that point. So we were zeroed out down there at the main. We're 2 feet, 3 feet, coming back now. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
See it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the whole section, the bottom of the pipe's gone.
I have no idea where the groundwater's coming from. Could be groundwater
That's why I'm saying that this could be groundwater. I mean, this.
Couldn't.
If your guys aren't running anything, that's got to be what it
It's not
is.
sewage. It's probably groundwater that's getting into the pipe.
I don't know.
It's coming out of that laundry drain one.
Laundry.
Really?
Are you splashing something?
No, I told you.
Something you can get?
Never hear water.
That's a weird.
Back into the plastic there. Then we've seen up. Do you want to see up again?
Do I want to?
We don't need to see up
No,
back up there. We've seen that
Yeah,
already.
we've seen that.
Well, okay. Well, we got a measure of success today, I'd say.
That's a weird.
No more.